Guess who's back? Back again. I have a lot of things on my table right now. All right, let's get into it. Hi. My phone keeps moving. Stop moving. Stop moving. Hi and welcome. If you are new here, my name is Melissa. Hey. I usually upload sewing related videos. If that is something that you're into, watch, like, and subscribe. Okay? Don't just watch me though. You gotta like or subscribe. It really helps me. Please and thank you. All right. If you are a returning subscriber, hey. First off, we know that Joann's is going kind of crazy with their sales, which is awesome. So I did go and get some McCall's patterns, and I wish I would have gotten more. I decided to purchase this one, the McCall's M7755, and I love this one. I followed the hashtag, and I actually want to make view D. This one right here is actually this one shown right here. All it has is a tie at the waistline, and I think it's going to look really, really cute and unique. I am a petite rectangle body shape, and I am learning a lot more of my figure and in other areas where I'm really, really short, so I have to make them seem longer. So I think this pattern will really, really be beneficial to my figure. I love the ruffles up here because I do have pretty sharp shoulders. So this is going to look super, super cute. I don't know if I want to add this ruffle at the end. I think without the ruffle would actually look really, really cute, but this is super cute. I'm very excited to sew this. This is the back, all the little things you could do. Very, very cute. And it's the McCall 7747. I'm really, really excited to sew this one, and it is the McCall's M7714 Petite. It's just a really cute little dress, and I think I might sew this one. You know, I think I might actually sew this one. Yeah, and these are actually pleats. So it's a pleated skirt or a pencil skirt version. Super cute, right? I also got some PJ patterns for my kiddos. M6227 and the M6831. They both claim to be easy, so we'll see. We'll see. So that's what I got for the McCall's pattern sale at Joann's last week. I did order a bathing suit pattern, and I got the Vernazza two-piece, and I will show you the fabric that I bought for it. I bought this fabric at Joann's. Don't laugh. Don't laugh at me. I didn't... I didn't realize how stinking shiny this is, and imagine me in the sun with a two-piece bathing suit in this fabric. And I actually love the fabric. I just don't know if it's perfect for this pattern, simply because I can picture a one-piece bodysuit, you know, like the ones with the really fancy cuts and the sides and, you know, no back, and you know what I'm talking about? That is what I picture. So I don't know. You tell me if this is a little too much. No? Yes? No? The other fabric that I bought at Joann's is actually this one. It has little avocados on it and sunglasses. I originally was going to make myself like a t-shirt dress with this, but the more that I saw it, the more I would love to make my daughter something with this. So cute, so cute. So I went to Savers again. I found this McCall's pattern, which I know it says $1, but it was actually 50 cents today, and it's actually pretty cute. It's the McCall's 8226, and it has never... Look, they stapled it. Why did they staple it? No, I'm not a fan of when they staple these. I understand why, but and it's not even cut, but I thought this was cute, you know, for summer. 50 cents at Savers. And now for the fabric that I bought actually at Savers. I found a lot of fabric today, and I spent $13 including the pattern. Yes, I spent $13 for all of this fabric, and I'm super happy with it because I have been waiting. Oh my gosh, I have been waiting for some more fabric, and I'm very, very happy with it. Yes, I am. All right. So, as you know, I want to make a one piece with this one, but I'm thinking that I might have enough to do a collar block with this pattern, okay? With black. See that? I could do a color block with the Vernazza two-piece pattern, and this feels like swimsuit material. This feels like it's for a swimsuit. I have 1 yard by 1 yard, and I think this is going to be enough just even to make this, even just to make it, you know, a black two-piece is cute enough, but together it feels like bathing suit material. And this was $2.99, so $3. It was 50% off, $1.50 for $1.50 for 1 yard by 1 yard fabric. So it's 36 by 36 inches. And the next one was $4, again half off. That's $2, and it is 1 yard and 3/4. So it's a little shy of being 2 yards, and it's this one. Isn't that cute? Super cute. I'm telling you guys, there was a super win today at Savers. I have been waiting for this. This would be so cute as this dress, but I think that this would actually look super cute with this one, with the Mimi G, wouldn't it? Anyways, so it was $6.99, so that's $7. $7, 50% off 7, that's $3.50, and this is 3 yards of fabric. So this I just bought so that I can use it as muslin to self-draft my skirt sloper with the Sew It Academy. The sloper is, I'm making the sloper so that it can help me fit commercial patterns and make changes and add darts where I need them to be. So I'm very, very excited to do that because I don't know, I like being in the Sew It Academy. If you're not in it and you're thinking about it, I highly recommend it. If you are in the Sew It Academy, hey there, friggin' classmate, how are you? Like, yes. What are you learning? You know, where are you at this week? Anyways, this next one was $4, but 50% off. It was $2, and it is 1 yard by 1 yard, and I want to say it's like that towel fabric. You see that? So I want to make a cute little like bathing suit throw over for either me or my daughter. Probably for me because I'm selfish when it comes to my sewing. It's the only thing that's mine, okay? Leave me alone. But yeah, I want to make either her or me just a little throw over for our bathing suits. I don't think I have enough for the both of us, but I think I have enough for me. Yeah. Don't judge me, guys. The next one is 2 yards and a half of this knit, and it was $4, but again half off. It was $2, and it's like this olive green kind of very thin knit. It's very, very thin. It's very, very thin, but very, very soft. Here, that's more true to color. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of looks like vomit green, but I know when you throw it on and you pair it really nice, it'll look good. And that's it. These two fabrics I bought at Goodwill. Yes, I did. And they were $3 each one, so that's not bad. And this first one is 1.5 yards by 1.5 yards, and this black stripes. Stripes are really in right now. And this I actually think is super, super cute. It has like blue lines. Do you see that? And this is a cotton. So let me see if I can just... Do you see the blue? Please tell me you see the blue. Yeah, so it has these blue lines on it, and it feels like cotton. It's really, really cute. I actually want the lines to go down this way. This next one is actually 3.5 yards by 1.5 yards. In width is 1.5 yards, and the length is 3.5 yards, okay? And this one is actually really, really pretty. It's like a pastel, you know, with the pink and the yellow and the blue and the purple. Like, it's just really, really pretty. And I'll show you guys what pattern I have in mind to use this for. I have more than enough to make it, but I also want to make something else with it. But I'll show you the picture of it right now, and I have to wait for the Simplicity patterns to go back on sale, because for some reason I decided not to purchase it when I should have purchased it, but I didn't. So let me show you the picture. Wouldn't that pattern look great in this? And then I can play with the lines. Oh my gosh, I think it's gonna look so cute. I can't wait to make that top. Ooh, I'm gonna look good. I'm gonna look super cute in that. Watch me make it and feel horrible in it. That would be something I would do. I am becoming a sew addict. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I can't stop. I promise you guys, this is the last thing. Okay? Okay. I didn't buy these. I went to the public library and I checked these books out because apparently I don't have enough items or supplies in my life. I must own everything for some reason. So this is the We Love to Sew, and it's 28 pretty things to make: jewelry, headbands, softies, t-shirts, pillows, bags, and more. And these, for the record, like, these girls look so happy. If you teach your child to sew, you know that it's not always such a fun experience. So for them to look this happy is kind of like, serio, stop it. And the next one that I checked out is the Tip Handbag Book. 25 easy to make totes, purses, and bags. Look, it has an old school cell phone bag case. Who remembers those Nokias that lasted forever? I do. But yeah, and then the next one, you guys probably have heard about this one already. Brittany J. Jones, or Miss Jones. If you guys followed the hashtag for the sewing on Instagram and saw all the women rap, tell me that was not amazing. My daughter and I actually recorded our version of the whole for the sewing, but both her and I got pretty embarrassed and we're like, no, let's not share it, you know, we're all right. But look it, I got the 10, 20, and 30 minutes to sew, and this book is so good. Like, as someone who spent an hour and a half looking at all the books in the library, I can honestly say that this book is so good. I can see why she's recommending it. Like, it has so many tips and tricks. But anyways, yeah, this book is actually really awesome. But yeah, other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video, this little sew talk, sew update. I love when you comment. So if there is something that you see, if there's something that you like, if I made you laugh, comment down below. You know, give me a thumbs up, show me some love. You know, if you're enjoying my sewing journey, show me some love. Don't just watch me. But okay, thank you guys again for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day, week, and month, and don't forget to make it a great year. Bye.